walk it.
It's easier in the machine.
The only thing that looked pretty gnarly was just that last drop.
No, none of it was very bad.
No, that first one was a lot.
It was worse up there where we were with the other people.
Yeah, back up a little bit. Straight back. Alright. Hang on. Back up a little bit. Cut the wheel. There you go. Alright. Yep, straight. Follow that. You have 4 lock on?
Yeah, put it 4 long.
Four lock, yeah.
I did.